ne significance bi atese ye ka ho atem kra nipa mfa corruption nya hwebio kan ne obo corruption dia na nipa bi kura abu ofu se wo mate sa word no by ne corruption ne de dan krofo no rough nipa no mo ka corruption ho asem kra on tiase nti obi gina ho kwa na corruption ho nsensem bi ba on fa ne serious atiase police ni ko gina kwa ho na say asem bi ba no say police ni bi corruption bi ba mo you don't care because corruption ababa ye normal omo ntiase nyina de corruption ato omo no omo corruption ho dawru ewo Ghana atiase me maka tro se me dia me ade ne koyi ameka enkoyi meka kire straight up why ase ti mo ma ye nya nkwase asem ne sa ne wale bata papa na award ni kwa sa modi award no sie na do akwakwagi award last week mu ho na modi award no asi mo mpesa award no ebe babonte kura ma Ghana fo hu se papa ne bo no ho modern wo Ghana nti modi award no asie makata so na obedi nkwase asem bi bade ya mo amutira mutimi ekoye editing etwe etwa pictures bi na mo ye editing na mo de oba bi abata ne ho se na Akufo Addo mpana no na wo dware wo sky na the sky bath ya kura ya nya Ghana mampanyin ye ntu kisi e wo sky mimi ntwa kisi e wo sky e mampanyin ko dware wo wiem a wona mo wiem ne ho efia nka onya dai na wo dware sky bath na de ndie wona anya yanka wo ndware wo wiem Masaboma yenya rough. Why? I love you all. Chale me dimubisia. Yes, Nana Akufo Addo is the best president Ghana has ever produced. Yama papa ni munwie na yenkofa signboard na yenkofa o mampanyini kwase abimra na afi yenkofa signboard nkutekuta Akufo Addo bra na begie yo Akufo Addo wo hanka wedi nke tire yo Akufo kwase ananze enne Akufo Addo wo ndie masore eche ne ba wo munwie no na munkofa ne picture nto signboard so mfa ne na makra the same boys corona na o mpadwuma o mpa brabo bi abon na be san kofa na Akufo Addo signboard edese omutie so no mapampa so abekatre se na Akufo Addo ho dia anka ye ho atoyeyu na Akufo Addo ho anka industries na Akufo Addo ho anka free SHS na mama yensu enyansa ne agini dodo. Yeah, I love you all. Me de mubisia. Why?
To me nya moa kakra bia anka won betumi edi ye na nso sika ne moa omanyanti omabra bobo asesa ebi bedane dog chain sellers ebi bedane meat pie sellers ebi bedane pocky sellers ebi bedane yogurt sellers ebi bedane pa ebi bedane kaya ye na ohwe adwene edo mutrim ohwe how smart they were nanso omanya sa opportunity no anya den ankobi and then when was it? I think it was Friday. And I'm making some analogy be say opa yemfa mic na yanko street of Ghana na yanko bisa say me pa cho usuku enti na want to aso obia be ka cho say sika over. I'm telling you say over 85% of the people will tell you say because of money issues I wasn't able to complete free education. Any people be be ka cho. And then, so you see, na unim. I couldn't tell that my name Mr. Mahama ya adwene say Ghana for ye ungrateful, ye ninka ye. Ghana for ye ninka ye. And na face so Ghana for nankasa no ye nipa bi a ade ye papa no Ghana ni mpa until sa ade ne beko. Oni girl bi wo ho girl ni treating ye pa on treating ye da. They a girl ni be jano no sa da no be so say na sa na ade papa ekuta mini. Only boy bi wo boy ne ye bibia ma no so mbu ne da afi okofo bu bi na afi ye tietia na ya ase a na afi obi say sana kofi amete ne ho ne ye chen kwasi ama befa ne yo. And that is how the Ghana man is, because there is something called greed in the blood of the Ghana man who is never satisfied. Because let me tell you something, I know countless people omo me uncle fee beji school fees me I was there. I remember that kraba all kinds sika there je kuminom, may he so rest in peace. E kind sika e de hwen krofo school because their parents didn't have it. That time no sika was a big challenge for people not going to school. And that Akufo Addo the free education by nkrofo kono. The same people who were complaining about high school fees. And the school fees never wedding, and the school fee akolano kra me for international, but the never yi and akolano kra school fees never. The same people that complain about school fees today, they are telling us after their children have enjoyed, they are telling us say Ghana don't even need free education. Ghana is sad though, minia. The ayede politics your mind home. They say and that ye who NDC MPP. The ayede politics ye Ghana no home. Oh, Yehovah. The ayede politics ye Ghana no. Yo. Me de sebe me yan komsheni o. But the American say yo. I remember I have friends, okay? I have friends, who needed help to finish school. They did not. They did not because of Sika. Yeah, I have people no minima dear you can't say boy we are being boy we are being and so a bar say ye call SS no went to me okwa e could do a be okwa ko ye just say so many people, so many lives were not able to progress because of free say not only Sika would debate and education. Solomon Johnson, welcome. Mobile number share. I remember, and I would always use this as a reference. Just a wako school na we kura na ye kotwere exams no. Yes, say one tua exams fee into no own exams ni be ampa the teacher will see through you say you would not write the exams. Ye Kenya ye be pamu school fees ye Kenya ye be twere exams no na ya pamu mwesi abonten say mun koji school fees mra. Ye they are not kekepo na ka cho say koji school fees eno ye different. Ye twa ba near the so near the child appeal go for your school fees. Canada meti free education e koso. But free education in Canada for enjoy no. Enye bi ene wo Ghana no. Me catch them. Aha, one auto uniform. Aha, one auto aduane. Aha, one auto books. The yebema one they are ubetumi use no library near the ade no. Asa. But you go to Home Depot